Ice, what are we doing next? Mix them all. Cherries. Okay, the comments are all over the crushed ice, then tequila, and then orange juice. Crushed ice. How do I crush this ice? I'm gonna need some more instructions here. Orange juice after the ice cube. Okay, let's go with orange juice. How much orange juice am I putting? I don't have the measuring thing, so I'm just gonna go by eye over here. Tequila's next. Tequila and orange juice. You know what? That's what I'm seeing right now. So this is gonna be a little risky. I don't think this is gonna be really good. Crush with a blender? But laughing emojis. That might be a joke. Tequila and orange juice. Everyone's saying tequila and orange juice. Put it in a grinder. Okay, fine. Let's try this out. I don't know what you're suggesting over here. Where's my blender thing? I have this. But where's the blender? I'm looking for the blender to crush the ice, but I don't know where it is. Okay. See, Phobia films at my house, so I'm gonna blame her for this. Not sure where to look. Where could it be? Okay, you know what? We need to think of another way of crushing this ice. What can be a... All right, we're gonna have to get creative here. Let's see what we can do. Okay. This is gonna be really DIY here. This is gonna be... We're experimenting a little bit with this video, with this live stream. So I see a lot of people said crush the ice. Yeah, see plastic bags. There we go, we're thinking. So I'm gonna... Oh! Oh no! No! Why did that happen? It's a plastic bag. Oh my god. Let me get the broom. Yeah, that... What are y'all saying about that? Okay, so I'm gonna clean this up first. We're not off to a great start on this tequila sunrise, guys. That was a smart idea, though. It was working. It was working. Okay, might try that again. Okay, this was not reliable. Clean it. Okay, man, let's try that again. Okay. Let me get another one of these bags. Hopefully it was just that one that was weak. I got another one. Put some ice in here. Okay, hopefully this... I'm just gonna leave it at that. I see some people are saying don't crush the ice, so I don't know. I'm lost here. That looks pretty good. Okay. Orange juice and tequila. What am I doing next? Am I just putting those together? I saw you guys suggest that. This is so inaccurate, but let me just. And that. Okay, what's next? I really don't know how this is going to turn out. Also, if you have any questions you want me to answer, put them down in the comments right now. Okay, orange juice. We'll put the orange juice in, so I'm going to put that away. Thirsty. Put them together. Okay, did that. Da-da-da. Cherry. I see cherry. Okay, but we still have these two ingredients. We have cherries, we have grenadine. What am I doing? A splash of grenadine. Add the juice of the cherries. A splash of grenadine. Let's go with that. And then we're going to put a cherry in there. Am I just sticking a cherry in there? Is that how it works? Okay. I'm going to put a splash of grenadine. Boom. Is that good? That looks pretty. Wow. This is pretty. Okay. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. And I see a cherry in there. I think I might, some people are saying to stir it up, so let me just. Ooh. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, and now cherry. I do want to talk a little bit. I want some questions. So I'm going to wait to do the cherry after we get a question in here. So please leave some questions in the chat. And I want to ask the same question to you guys. So let's see what questions we have in here. Tequila sunrise, that's my drink. Mini umbrella. I don't have an umbrella. How is traveling around the world? Oh, it's great. Yeah, I grew up traveling, which was really fortunate and really shaped me. Favorite candy? Ooh, that's really hard. I'm gonna go. I'll just go with gummy bears. Add some black pepper. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do. I have a younger sister. Her name's Kalina. She was in a lot of my first videos. Oh, okay. I see. Lucy asks Easter plans. So I'm not doing anything for Easter, but next week I am going to Hawaii actually, and I am going to be living 3 days with a native Hawaiian family. It's part of my series where I live with different families to learn specifically for this series what it means to be American, and I'm really excited for this. I don't know much about native Hawaiian culture. I've been to Hawaii twice, but never. How do you even find a way to enter these communities, these local communities? So I made a friend on Instagram and he invited me, so I'm staying with his family and I'm really excited for that. Are you all doing anything for Easter? Thank you for all the questions. Okay, I'll wait to see what your responses are, and I will start putting these cherries in. Okay. Wow, this is really nice. Look at that. Maraschino cherries. Interesting. So am I just putting one of these in here? Is that what I'm doing? Let me use the knife again. Oh, wow. And what is the purpose of the cherry? Is it just for aesthetic, or am I supposed to eat this cherry? Here we go. Very nice. I think it sunk to the bottom. Okay. Wait, what's the point of this? Maybe I'll put another one in there. Okay. Please shed some light on the housing crisis in Hawaii. Oh, I'm curious to learn more about that. Yeah, there's so much I want to learn from a local's perspective. That's my favorite. Whenever I travel somewhere, I want to be with local people. I want to learn I want to eat where locals eat. I don't want to go where the tourists are. I saw some people say put some juice in here. So see, that was pretty slick. Let me get a napkin. All this ice. The ice on the ground, it's melting. It's wet. Okay. Not too much. Okay. Is there anything else? I see orange slice. Is this just for aesthetic? Am I just putting it like that? What else do I need to do? Or am I done? Am I ready to try this? Crush the cherries. Oh, okay, this is new. I didn't know about crushing the cherries. Are you making that up, or is that what I'm supposed to do? Come to Hawaii and find out if ever come to the Big Island. I'm actually going to the Big Island. I'm going to Hilo. It's supposed to look like a sunrise because you were not supposed to mix the grenadine. But you need to stir the orange juice and tequila. Oh, okay. Thank you, Monica. That makes sense. So what I was supposed to do is mix the orange juice and tequila and then put the grenadine so that it would look like a sunrise. Right now it just looks like a sky. Just one, red colored sky. But I think more orange juice for color. Maybe that's what I can do. Let me try and make a sunrise, sunset. I guess if I put the grenadine first, then it would make it a sunrise, and put the orange juice first. You get what I'm saying? More orange. Oh no. It's not, the color's not there. The sky juice. Okay. Well, I think it's time we try it out. Cheers, everyone. Here we go. Ew. What is that? It tastes syrupy. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know about this one. What did I do wrong? Help me out here. It tastes quite syrupy. I don't know if it's the quality of the orange juice, or is it just in a bottle? I saw someone said orange slice, not orange peel. That's, you might be right about that. Let me put a little bit more of this. Put the orange slice in there too. There's something syrupy in there. Is it? I don't think it's the syrup from the cherries, because I put only a little bit. You didn't need to put the juice of the cherries. A lot of you are saying put the cherry juice. Yes, I think it's the cherry syrup. Why did we even put a cherry? Why? I know it's part of the ingredients to put a cherry in a tequila sunrise. But what is it supposed to do? Did someone ask me that? Answer me. I don't know why I keep taking a sip. I think, maybe I might have put too much of this grenadine. Yeah. No, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to make it again. You know what? Why not? Why am I focusing on this one? Let me make it again. I'm not going to settle for mediocrity. So let me do this again. Let me follow your instructions. And now I'm not going to crush the ice. You know what? I am determined to make a good... I know all the right steps. We made lots of mistakes. Okay? We made lots of mistakes. So, tequila, and you know what? This time I'm going to go one at a time because I want this to be good. All right. That's a good amount. Here we go. See, I'm good with the eyes. That looked like half a shot and one little... See, that felt like the right amount. See, I'm starting to catch the bartending, the intuition. You just got to eyeball it, right? Okay, so I put the orange juice and the tequila. Now it's time to just stir that. Not too much cherries, you're right. Okay, now I'm going to put a splash, a little bit of the grenadine, because, or else it's going to be too syrupy, and it's going to look like the sunset. All right, here we go. It's gonna look like a sunset. Here we go. Are you ready? Wow, okay, this is it. This is it. And screw the cherry, screw the orange peel. We're not doing those. This is it right here. Cheers. I don't taste the grenadine. It's all at the bottom. Hold up. There's no point in putting the grenadine in there if I'm not going to taste it. Let me taste it. Okay. I think it's better. I think it's better. Do I have a straw? I want to like... Let's see if I can tell a difference. Okay. This is the good one, I guess. The second one. Okay. This is the first one. Wait. Tastes the same. Wow, what an interesting experiment we've done today. I think we didn't do it right. Mix the two drinks. Hey, I'm all about doing some crazy things here.